English. English doesn't intimidate me anymore. It obeys me. Now I don't practice English, I inhabit it. Mom, start speaking. Yes, yes. English. English is very easy. I can speak English, I can talk English, I can do anything in English. Yes, yes. Have you ever experienced this frustrating thing? You're speaking English, you know the word, it's somewhere in your brain, but suddenly the word disappears and everything just goes blank. Boom. Why does this happen? Today, I'll tell you the real reason behind it. And it's not what most people think. Many learners like you believe that we keep forgetting words because our vocabulary is weak. But that's not the case. Even advanced speakers tend to forget words amidst their conversation. Imagine you're in an interview or talking to someone impressive or just answering a question in class, and suddenly your brain freezes. Nothing comes to your mind. Your heart starts panicking. Well, let's break down the real reason now. Most of the time, you're not even forgetting words. Your brain is blocking access to those words. And this is happening because of a thing called mental overload. Remember the term mental overload. When you speak English, you're juggling with multiple tasks. Let's break it down: grammar, pronunciation, fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, searching for the perfect word, and there's a lot of pressure. Okay, let me ask you something interesting. जब हिंदी में बात करते हो तो क्या कभी कुछ भूलते हो? Almost never. But when it comes to English, you start self-monitoring yourself. You start micromanaging every word. Now, the most important part. We have to fix this problem. और ये मत बोल देना कि मैम मुझे और भी ज़्यादा vocabulary words याद करने पड़ेंगे इस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक करने के लिए. नहीं, that's not the solution. The solution is in the 4-step technique that I am going to teach you. Stop, slow, train, and remove. Repeat after me. Stop, slow, train, and remove. First step, stop chasing perfect words. If you're in search for the word called exhausted, don't freeze. Just say, I am tired. Communication matters more than perfection. Always remember it. And then when you'll speak the word, your brain will start relaxing itself. The second step on the road is slow down your speech. Speed increases pressure, and pressure blocks recalling. And trust me, when you speak slower, it increases clarity, it increases confidence, and it makes you think better words. Calm brain is equals to better words. The choice is yours. The third step to achieve that milestone is to train yourself to think in simple English while walking, while doing some simple tasks. Like, I wanted to complete my work on time. The weather feels so pleasant. This particular thing is mind blowing. Now, don't translate but direct thinking. The fourth and the last step towards your journey of success, towards that fluent journey of success, removing the fear of pauses. Pauses are very natural. Fluent speakers pause all the time. Pauses are not sign of weakness. Pauses are a sign of thinking. So instead of being ashamed of your pauses, you own your pauses. And has the one comforting truth that I really want to say. Whenever you want to say to yourself that my English is terrible, rephrase your words and say, my English needs a little less pressure. And that is when I would be able to use better words. Hey guys, this is my first video on YouTube. It's a long form video, and for the very first time, I've shot a video on the back camera. I was scared, I was petrified to shoot a video by my own, but still, if I am able to do it, then you can speak English, you can get rid of all your fears, and you can be there where you always wanted to be. Bye bye, subscribe to my channel, and I promise that I'll be bringing forward all of these special and really productive videos for you all. Bye bye.